Let's bake a eggless malai cake starting with ingredients 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of malai and 1 spoon of baking powder. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of malai into it. Whisk the malai to remove any lumps. Then add 1 cup of powdered sugar into it. Whisk both the ingredients properly. Then add 1 cup of maida into it. Whisk the batter properly. As the batter is thick, so we can adjust its consistency by adding milk into small batches. In this recipe, we use half cup of milk. Then add 1 spoon of baking powder into the batter. Whisk the batter in one direction. Now see finally the consistency of batter. Now take a cake tin and add 2 spoons of refined oil into it. Brush the refined oil in cake tin. Cover all the sides and base of the cake tin. Then add 2 spoons of maida in cake tin. And cover all the cake tin. Remove the extra maida and then pour the cake batter into the cake tin. Then place the cake tin into the pressure cooker at sim for 50 to 55 minutes and cover the pressure cooker. After 55 minutes, see how beautifully the cake is baked. See the brown crust over the sides of the cake. Let the cake to cool down. After 15 to 20 minutes, flip the cake. See how beautifully the brown crusted cake is baked. Enjoy your precious moment with this homemade eggless malai cake. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.